What's up, Fearless fam? Welcome to Fearless Faith Podcast. Together with me is our special guest. We have here drug pusher, aka sales representative for pharmaceutical products. We have here my household hindi, ako yung bang up eh.
Bakit that?
Co-household head, Apak Vergara.
Hi guys. Hello.
Kamusta, Apak? How are
Hindi
you?
naman, mabuti kapatid. So, it's nice to be here.
Chup-chup mo.
Chup, chup, mama.
So, kwento mo naman sa amin. Like, kasi naalala ko, there was a time that we had our sharing and then you told us about your life. Your life here is very
Poor. It's
and sad. So, tell us more about your childhood or your family life.
Okay. So, yung mga bata ko kami, mga alad ka rin kasi kami ng kapatid ko. Eh. So, lahat ng puntahan ng kapatid ko, nandun din ako. So, very early in our lives, mga batang simbahan na kami. So, we were
Ever since.
member of Legion of Mary hanggang sa lumaki kami. Hanggang sa lumaki na kami. And we became part of the choir doon din sa local parish namin.
Bass or tenor? Wow!
Bass tayo dyan.
Oh.
So we were privileged to be a part of that group kasi we were catering to the less fortunate part of the community.
So how was it? Like growing up naman?
Okay. So growing up kasi, my mom is an educator, teacher by profession. And since maliliit kami, we look up to her kasi she made everything possible. But of course, nandiyan din naman yung tatay ko. But she's doing the heavy lifting. Dalawa kaming magkasabay na nag-aral ng ate ko. So, medyo mabigat during that time. And then, kasunod yung punso namin. So, to answer the question, mahirap.
Hirap maging mahirap.
It's not all the time na kapag naman kami ng pera, meron. So, we need to work on it. Kailangan namin paghirapan. And I think it's a good training for us kasi sa buhay naman, di ba? Hindi perfect. Kailangan mo ibibigay na sa kailangan mo rin pagtrabaho.
And then from that, you shift from that kind of life to corporate life. How's corporate life? Alam ko madaming pagsubok at madaming kwento.
Yes, stressful. So, corporate life kasi maraming politics at play. And most of the times kasi kailangan you know how to you know where to stand. Kasi dapat hindi ka magpagamit sa sistema for as long as you're doing your job and ginagawa mo yun ng wala kang sinasagasaan, then I think you're off the list.
And can you also tell us about the first time you joined the community?
Oh my God. We were pandemic recruits.
Who invited you? Your sister? Or not?
Brother Chito invited us. Actually, Brother Chito invited my sister. At kagaya nga na sinabi ko sa iyo, dahil kalad ka rin ng buong pamilya namin, lahat ng salihan
lahat ng sabihan ng ate
ko, kailangan kasama kami. So, we were doing BFF online with Tito Mariles, Chito, Tito Tepa. Yan yun. So, that was 2020. Kasama doon sila, sila Coach Jeff, and Ate Mo. So, apat kami.
Tell us your experience in the community.
Oh, so I came from a different community kasi. So, I can't help but compare kasi nga from Legion of Mary, meron kaming direct engagement sa grassroots, as in talagang dun sa mga may mahihirap na kasama natin. And then I transferred to a different community, pero parang, okay, medyo kulang. And then when I transferred here, so we were given opportunities to implement things na talaga namang makakatulong for evangelization. And I think I'm in the right community. So, yun, masayang maging member na siya.
How do you think the community changed your life?
Sa totoo lang, akala ko kasi I can do it on my own. True to itself na community, you cannot do anything without your family, without your community. Kasi ito hindi lang to community, it's a family talaga. Just to share, earlier this year, I was shared a portion of the Lord's suffering, and it really made me realize na it's not every day na makuha mo talaga yung gusto mo. You will be put to a test. Para bang mainit na tubig na lalagyan mo ng tsaa, tapos yung katas lalabas. I don't know if I've overcome it already or I'm still in it. But the thing is, I know for a fact, kung wala ang community, baka bumagsak. So, that's how important this community is to me.
And we're really happy you're in the community.
Of
We're
course.
really glad with your presence. And because of that, you might want to also invite everyone on the upcoming 10th conference this January.
Okay, so guys, we're having a milestone. We're having our 10th year anniversary and gusto namin i-share ito sa inyong lahat. Kasi hindi naman namin gustong solohin lang yung mga magagandang bagay na nangyari sa amin. We also want to share it with you guys. And you seeing this video, and I've been telling this time and again, this is not an accident. This is destiny. Kaya kung kayo ay nakakarinig ng podcast na ito at nakikita nyo kami na nag-uusap, maybe God is telling you na sumali kayo sa amin and God is only using us to talk to you. So, galaw-galaw mga kapatid. Join us. January na yun.
Chup chup.
Chup chup, mama.
Thank you, Senator Jesus Cordero.
Thank you, Car.
Well,
Bye, guys.